Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's February 23rd. We're out here by the potato field, and we're going to plant these unconventional potatoes, and we're going to let's see how they're doing. Here they are, and pardon the wind if the mic's picking it up. If it gets a little choppy, that's because it's trying to adjust for the sound difference. But anyway, you can see these look good. Let me take one out of the container. And this is what the roots look like. You can see they are rooted in, ready to go. So we're going to get these in the ground. We've got about a 40 foot of a row here. We got 48 potatoes, and we're going to put them right in this spot here. Okay, we laid them out in a row. Now we're going to bury them. Okay, we're just going to plant these. Some of them's got more roots than others. We're not going to be worrying about putting them deeper underground. We're just going to put them right there. We've taken and got our sprinkler set up because as dry as this dirt is, all this would do is take those nice pretty roots and do them in. But anyway, I'm going to continue just going down here and planting all these nice little potatoes. Okay, we got them all in the ground, and what we're going to do next is we're going to turn the sprinklers on. The ground is really dry. There's no sign of rain for a little while now. We could just leave this and eventually everything would come on up there, but these were in a moist condition and put in dry, well, I say semi-dry soil. The chance is that the soil will want to wick the water away, so if I want them to keep growing like they're growing, we're going to have to get some water in the soil. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all, give her a big thumbs up, and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.